my heart pounding loud every time I see you near. Something by the look in your eyes, my defenses disappear. It's the tension that's clever. You're the spark that makes my heart clever. In your word flash in my mind when I hold you in my arms. Something by the thrill of your touch sets up all my love. It's your nearness, it's your pressure, your intensity that I treasure. Like an explosion, my love for you, it's an explosion. My love for you, it's an explosion that keeps my heart beating, that keeps my soul alive. Like an explosion. My love for you, it's an explosion. My love for you, it's an explosion that keeps my heart beating, keeps my soul alive. Like an explosion, my love for you, it's an explosion. My love for you, it's an explosion that keeps my heart beating, that keeps my soul alive. You are the fire in me, temperature's rising deep within me. You strike my heart's resonation. You are the thunder and lightning that strikes me. Like an explosion. My love for you, it's an explosion. My love for you, it's an explosion that keeps my heart beating, keeps my soul alive. Like an explosion. My love for you, it's an explosion. My love for you, it's an explosion that keeps my heart beating, keeps my soul alive. My love for you. My love for you, that keeps my soul alive. My love for you, no, no, no. My love for you, that keeps my soul alive.